Hello students, we are continuing our chapter number 4, long and short. In the last video, we learned about the non-standard units. You remember it? Let us see. So these are the non-standard units, but they cannot give us the accurate measure. So nowadays, we can use for the accurate measure ruler or the scale, then measuring tape. So these are the objects that we can use to measure the length. So why these objects used for measuring the length? Because they indicates the some units. Okay. So which are the units? See, millimeter, centimeter, meter, and a kilometer. So these are the some units that we can use to measuring the length in nowadays, and they are called as a standard unit because they give us accurate measure. What they give us? Accurate measure. So today we will see about the millimeter and the centimeter. Okay, now suppose I want to measure the length of this book. So what we can use? Yes, we measure this length by using the scale. Okay, now suppose I want to measure the length of the pencil. So what we can use? Yes, here we use again the scale. Yes or no? Yes. So now suppose I want to measure the tip of the pencil. So what we can use? Yes, we can use the scale. No, because it is too small. So for very small objects, we can use the millimeter. And for the little bigger object, we can use the centimeter. Okay. So small things we can measure in the millimeter, and big things we can measure the in the centimeter. So how we now we can understand millimeter is the smaller unit and the centimeter is the bigger unit. Okay, understand which are the objects we can measure in millimeter? Let us see. So these are the some objects that we can measure in the millimeter. Okay, now see the objects that we can measure in the centimeter. So here there are some of the objects that we can measure in the centimeter. So from that you can understand that for the smaller objects, okay, when we want to measure the length of the smaller objects, we can use the millimeter. And when we want to measure the length of the bigger object, then we can use the centimeter. Okay, understand? Okay. Now let us see how we can measure the length of any object using the centimeter or the millimeter. Okay, now you can see I have a scale. You can see the scale is start from 0. I made this scale, okay, up to what? 50. It is a scale like you have the scale in the geometry box or you have in your compass box. See, this is the scale that is in your compass box. Yes or no? What you have to written in this scale? Okay, see, these are the lines and 1 to 15 numbers are there. Okay, this is the small scale. But when you take the big scale, in that 1 to 30 numbers are there. Okay, yes, okay. So this is the scale. Now we can see how we can measure using the scale. Okay, so you can see in that scale what you have to see. The scale is start from the 0. Some of the scale 0 is written and some of the scale 0 is not written. But you have to consider that first line is indicate the 0. Okay, so you can see the black color line. All this black color line shows the centimeter. What they can shows? Centimeter. See, this is 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6. In this way, the last is the 15 centimeter. Okay, understand? Okay. Now, This small line, can you see this small line? Yes, this small indicates the millimeter. What they indicates? The millimeter. Okay, so these are the lines, they indicate the millimeters. Now you can also see the green line. Okay, little bit big than the millimeter lines. Yes, this is also millimeter, but it is mark it differently because it shows the half of the centimeter. ये सेंटीमीटर का क्या है? हाफ पार्ट है. So that's why it is indicate differently. Okay. So how many total lines in the 1 centimeter? Let us count from 0 to 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are total 10 parts in between the 1 centimeter. Yes? Okay. So 1 centimeter, that is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. 1 centimeter is equal to what? 10 millimeter. Okay. Understand? Now let us see how we measure the length using the centimeter. Okay. So suppose I want to measure the length of this pen. Okay, so what we can do? First of all, what you have to put the starting point at the zero line. See, I put the starting point at zero line. Now you can see the end point. Okay, after what? After 3 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So after 3 centimeter, how many lines are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after 3, there is 5 lines. That means 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter. That means we can say that it is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, understand? Now, we want to measure here the length of this pen drive. What we have to do first? We have to put their starting point at the zero line and let us now see their end point. Where it comes? Yes, it comes on the 1 centimeter. So, how much long this pen drive? Yes, exact 1 centimeter. Okay. Now you can see I have some strips of different length. So now I want to measure the length of these strips. So how it can measure? Let us see. Just take one strip, any one strip and put it out. Where it put? Yes, starting point is put it on the zero. Okay, now see their end point where it comes. Let us see. Okay, now you can see this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3 and 3 after some lines are there. We count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many lines after 3? 8. So what is the length of this strip? 3.8 centimeter. That means 3 centimeter, 8 millimeter. That means 3.8 centimeter. Okay. Now take the another strip. So I take this strip. Now let us count. I put the starting point at 0. Okay, now let us count. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4. 4 after, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines? 5. So after 4, that means 4.5 centimeter. That means 4 millimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay, so what is the strip length is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now just take this small one strip. So I put the starting point here. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, so see I put the starting point at 0. So it is too small. Count it. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines? 4 millimeter only. So what is the length of this? 4 millimeter. Okay, understand? In this way you can measure the length of very small objects. Now I have the big strip. So now let us count. The starting point, I put it on the 0. And let us see the end point where it comes. See, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, there is, see, what is the line come? Yes, you can put accurately. Okay, now see, after 6, how many line? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 line. That means here the strip is 6.6 centimeter. That means 6 centimeter, 6 millimeter. Yes? Okay. So in this way you can measure the length of different objects using the scale. Okay. Now suppose if we want to draw the line of 4 centimeter. Okay, here we have to draw the line segment. Segment means what? Line का जो some parts होता है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Line segment. Okay. Now suppose first we have to draw the 4 centimeter line. So what we have to do here? First we have to take the scale. Okay. Now put it on the line. Now, which is the first zero line? So, mark it the zero line by using the point. So, point it. Okay. Now, 4 centimeter. So, where is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, put the point at 4 centimeter. Yes. Now, we get the starting point and the end point. Now, draw it. So in this way we can draw the 4 centimeter line. Again measure it. Is that this line is 4 centimeter or not? See, starting point is at 0 and end point is at 4. Yes? Yes. So this line is the 4 centimeter. Okay. Now if we come draw the line of 2.5 centimeter. So again we point out anywhere in the page. Now put this point on the 0 line. This is the starting line that is indicate the 0. So we put it there and 2.5, that means 2 centimeter and 5 lines. So where is 2 this? After that you count the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can point it the 5 on the 5 line. You get the starting point and end point. Now draw the line there. Okay, so here we get the 2.5 line. Again measure it, starting point and end point. So it is 2.5. Okay, now the next. Again you take the point. Now put that point on the 0 line. Now take the end point. 1.3. So that means 1 centimeter after that 3 line. So count it 1, 2, 3. So put their point. Now draw the line. So here we get the 1.3 centimeter. So in this way you can draw the line also by using the scale. Okay, you can see how we can draw the lines. Okay, so you can also try at your home to measure the length of different objects using the scale. Okay, that's all for today.